Hello everyone, coming back to Python programming hands-on. Now we are going to discuss OOPS concept. In that we are going to discuss a topic on polymorphism. The polymorphism means it is the many forms of the function. So many forms of the functionality. So that means the function name is same, but functionality is different. Is different in different classes. Yeah, we'll see with example we can understand. Class polygon def draw. So draw we need to add self variable. The print drawing polygon. Now create one more class square. Square. This square should be extend the polygon class. That is, we should inherit polygon. Once we are inherit from the polygon, and now the same function def draw, and here we need to print drawing square. And we need to create one more class circle, and this is also inherited from the polygon. And def draw self print drawing circle. Now we need to create the objects for the square as well as circle. So how we can create? Some a1 is equal to square function, and similarly the b1 is equal to circle. This way create a two objects a1 and b1. Now call the functions of two different draws in the square as well as circle. A1 dot draw and b1 dot draw. A1 draw means it executes output of drawing square, whereas here drawing circle. This way the output will come. Now we'll see hands-on output in the PyCharm software. Okay, just copy this, right? Just copy the program and just open the PyCharm software. Now just paste the program. See, yeah, here the colon, right? Even, yeah, square, square. Okay, that's it, right? Yeah, this is a program. Now we'll see what the output we'll get. Just execute the program. Yeah, see this, drawing square as well as drawing circle. So this way we can understand what is polymorphism. The same function name, but it acts as different ways in the different classes. Hope you understand. Thank you.